Hello, welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about the laptop not turning on your MSI laptop. So the most probable cause of the issue is just not having a enough battery electricity in the battery itself. So just make sure to plug your charger for a bit, give it give it like 5 minutes, wait for it to charge up a bit, and then try to start up your laptop like normal just by pressing the power button. And if for some reason your laptop is charged, doesn't turn on, try to press and hold the button. And if that doesn't help, you can try a different charger. If, for example, you don't know if it's charged and because it's maybe the charger is faulty. And if this doesn't help, try to plug into another socket. And if all solutions don't work for you, you may have to take it to a technician because it may be some internal problem with your laptop. So I believe we're done for the video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.